Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best pressure washers for car detailing. Washing your car at home shouldn't mean spending hours with a garden hose or risking scratches. That's why I've researched and tested the most powerful, portable, and paint-safe options on the market. From compact electric units perfect for apartment dwellers to gas-powered beasts that handle heavy grime, these picks deliver professional-level cleaning. And trust me, you'll want to see the difference proper water pressure and foam cannon compatibility can make. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. OMGEXTRD. The OMGEXTRD is the perfect solution for professionals and travelers seeking a sleek, all-in-one charging station that eliminates desk clutter and cable chaos. Featuring a compact, foldable design, this device integrates a high-speed wireless charger with multiple USB ports, allowing you to power your smartphone, earbuds, and smartwatch simultaneously. Made from premium, heat-dissipating materials, it ensures safe and efficient charging without overheating, protecting your valuable electronics. Equipped with intelligent chip technology, it automatically detects your device's power needs for optimized speed and battery health. Its lightweight and portable build makes it an ideal travel companion for hotel rooms or coffee shops. OMGEXTRD. The OMGEXTRD is the perfect solution for anyone seeking a bold and unforgettable statement piece that commands attention. Featuring an ultra-premium, high-gloss finish that catches every ray of light, this product is made from durable, aircraft-grade materials for a sleek and resilient build that withstands daily wear. Equipped with an innovative ergonomic design, it offers a comfortable and secure grip that enhances your overall experience. Its lightweight construction ensures effortless portability without sacrificing the substantial, high-end feel you expect from a luxury accessory. Whether you are making an entrance at a special event or elevating your everyday style, the OMGEXTRD combines unmatched quality with striking aesthetics. This essential item is a must-have for trendsetters and connoisseurs who refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. Greenworks. The Greenworks collection is perfect for homeowners who want powerful, eco-friendly outdoor tools without sacrificing performance or convenience. Featuring advanced brushless motor technology, these tools deliver superior efficiency, longer runtime, and quieter operation compared to traditional gas-powered alternatives. Made from durable, lightweight materials, each tool is designed for easy maneuverability and reduced fatigue, allowing you to tackle everything from lawn trimming to leaf blowing with ease. Equipped with a reliable battery system, Greenworks products offer cordless freedom and instant startup, eliminating the hassle of gas, oil, and pull cords. Their compact and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling for extended use, while the maintenance-free build saves you time and money. Westinghouse WPX3050. The Westinghouse WPX3050 is the perfect portable power solution for homeowners, campers, and professionals who demand reliable electricity during outages or on job sites. Featuring a robust 3050-watt peak output and a quiet 224 cubic centimeters engine, this generator provides clean, stable power for sensitive electronics like laptops and phones. Made from a durable steel frame with a compact, wheeled design, it offers exceptional portability and resilience for rugged environments. Its built-in automatic voltage regulator ensures consistent power delivery, protecting your valuable devices from damaging surges. With a runtime of up to 12 hours on a full tank, the WPX3050 keeps essential appliances running through the night or a long workday. Westinghouse WPX3000e. The Westinghouse WPX3000e is perfect for homeowners and professionals seeking a reliable and powerful pressure washer for tackling tough outdoor cleaning tasks. Featuring a robust 3000 psi and 2.3 GPM, this gas-powered machine delivers superior cleaning force to effortlessly remove dirt, grime, and mildew from driveways, decks, and siding. Equipped with a durable axial cam pump and a convenient electric start, it ensures long-lasting performance and effortless operation every time. Its compact, wheeled frame provides excellent portability, allowing you to maneuver around your property with ease. Whether you are restoring a weathered fence or preparing a surface for painting, the Westinghouse WPX3000e combines rugged durability with user-friendly features, making it an essential investment for anyone serious about maintaining a pristine outdoor space. Westinghouse WPX3100V. The Westinghouse WPX3100V is perfect for contractors and homeowners needing reliable portable power on job sites, or during emergencies. Featuring a powerful 3,100 watt peak output and a 2,800 watt running capacity, this inverter generator delivers clean, stable electricity suitable for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. Made from durable materials with a compact, lightweight frame, it offers exceptional portability with a built-in handle that makes transport effortless. Equipped with Westinghouse's advanced inverter technology, it operates remarkably quietly at just 52 decibels, ensuring minimal noise disturbance for you and your neighbors. Its fuel-efficient engine provides up to 16 hours of runtime on a single tank, allowing you to power essential tools or appliances through long workdays or overnight outages. KÄRCHER. The KÄRCHER product line is perfect for homeowners and professionals who demand exceptional cleaning power and lasting durability. Featuring advanced high-pressure technology and innovative dirt removal systems, each machine delivers superior performance on patios, vehicles, and outdoor surfaces. Made from robust, corrosion-resistant materials, KÄRCHER cleaners are engineered for longevity and reliable daily use. Equipped with ergonomic handles and compact designs, they offer effortless maneuverability and convenient storage. Whether tackling stubborn grime or performing routine maintenance, these machines save time and reduce physical effort. Their efficient motors and water-saving features also promote eco-friendly operation without sacrificing results. Lightweight yet powerful, KÄRCHER products combine German engineering with practical innovation, making them an essential investment for anyone seeking pristine cleanliness and professional-grade results in a user-friendly package. Westinghouse WPX3100. The Westinghouse WPX3100 is perfect for homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable portable power during storms, camping trips, or job site tasks. Featuring a powerful 3,100 watt peak output and a 2,800 watt running capacity, this generator easily handles essential appliances, power tools, and electronics with consistent performance. Equipped with a durable 212 cubic centimeters Westinghouse engine, it delivers up to 18 hours of runtime on a full tank of gasoline, ensuring you stay powered through long outages or workdays. Its compact and lightweight design, complete with a built-in handle and never-flat wheels, allows for effortless transport and storage in tight spaces. Westinghouse WPX3500. The Westinghouse WPX3500 is the perfect portable power solution for homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts who demand reliable electricity during outages or adventures. Featuring a powerful 3,500 watt peak output and a robust 224 cubic centimeters Westinghouse engine, this generator delivers clean, stable power for essential appliances and electronics. Made from a durable, heavy-duty frame with integrated handles, it offers exceptional portability and resilience on any job site or campsite. Equipped with GFCI outlets and a low-oil shutdown, it prioritizes safety and longevity, while its quiet operation ensures minimal disturbance. Whether you are tailgating or preparing for a storm, the WPX3500 combines dependable performance with user-friendly features, making it an essential addition to your emergency kit or outdoor gear. Tool Daily. Tool Daily is the perfect productivity tool for busy professionals and remote workers who need to streamline their daily tasks with ease. Featuring a sleek, intuitive interface that integrates seamlessly with your calendar and to-do lists, it helps you prioritize and manage your time more effectively. Made from a lightweight yet durable design, this digital companion ensures you stay organized without adding bulk to your day. Equipped with smart reminders and customizable workflows, it reduces stress by keeping your schedule on track and your goals in sight. Its compact functionality fits perfectly into your morning routine, whether you're planning meetings or tracking personal projects. Whether you're juggling deadlines or balancing life, Tool Daily combines simplicity and efficiency, making it an essential addition to any modern professional's toolkit.